Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Psychology Network. Today's topic which we would be studying is Cattell's fluid and crystallized intelligence. You can find this in Unit 6 of your UGC Net Psychology syllabus booklet. The Unit 6 name is Thinking, Intelligence and Creativity. So Cattell's fluid and crystallized intelligence actually falls in the cognitive theories of intelligence. Here you can see that I've created a rundown of all the theories of intelligence, the factor theories, neuropsychological theories, cognitive theories, and your emotional intelligence theory. Now, all the theories which you see on the screen right now is something which you have to study for your UGC NET exam. I've already covered all your factor theories. You can check out the videos on that on my channel. I've already covered Jensen's theory of mental functioning, which is one of the cognitive theories. Today also we would be studying another cognitive theory, which is the Cattell's fluid and crystallized intelligence. The first thing which we would be studying is your fluid intelligence. Now, this is the mental capacity of an individual which is required for learning and problem solving. Now, this is innate in nature. This is dependent on your genetic basis. It is dependent on your biological factors, and it is less influenced by your experience and surrounding factors. So it's based on biological factors. And something which else you have to remember is that it declines by age. So when does your fluid intelligence come into play? It comes into play when you are in novel situations. Now, what are novel situations? It is when you are facing new and strange situations which require some kind of adaptation, comprehension of what is going on, reasoning, problem solving. Creativity to a certain extent is due to your fluid intelligence. Now, few examples where we use fluid intelligence is, again, solving puzzles. If you're given a puzzle for the first time, you can at least do some part of it. If you have average intelligence, above average intelligence, you can do at least some part of it. And because when you're given a new puzzle, it is a novel situation for you, and the fluid intelligence here is coming to work. So fluid intelligence is the global capacity almost of a person. Next, which we would be talking about, is your crystallized intelligence. Now, fluid intelligence is something innate, it's biological, but crystallized intelligence is affected by the education which we are getting and the cultural aspect of us. So if somebody is having an American culture, their crystallized intelligence might differ a bit from somebody who is having an Indian culture. Anyway, so crystallized intelligence is dependent on your environmental factors. So where does this kind of intelligence come into play? It is essential for playing your day-to-day activities, performing day-to-day activities, the knowledge about places, things, politics, world affairs, environment. These are all your crystallized intelligence. Whatever you're learning about your religion, rituals, how you have to walk and talk, and how you have to be in a social environment, these are all your crystallized intelligence. Now, as we saw in the fluid intelligence that it decreases by age, it is almost it peaks, or it stops forming when you're in adolescence, but it gradually decreases after your 20s. But crystallized intelligence, it increases throughout your life, because as you're learning, as you're going through life, you're gaining more experience, and that's how your crystallized intelligence keeps on growing. So this is all about your fluid and crystallized intelligence. The two main things which you have to keep an eye for is that crystallized intelligence is dependent on your environment, and it increases throughout one's age, and fluid intelligence is biological, innate in nature, and it decreases after a certain point of time. So thank you so much for listening. Hope you liked the video. Hope you understood what you came here for understanding. And if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get updates for many more such videos which you can see and recap just before your exams.